Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look at your person's current feelings towards you and what is going to be their next step towards this relationship in regards with you. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in bio. You can DM me over there. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now, Cancers. So Cancer and their person's current feelings, their immediate steps, what are the obstacles in this relationship. We are going to check out everything and what is the final outcome of this situation, what is happening. Okay, so for my Cancer and their person energies, please my dear spirit guides, what are the energies for my Cancers and their person? All right. Okay, so let's get started now. So first thing is the current energies of your person towards you. 10 of Swords. So your person's energies are quite looking to me that they might be ending a situation with you or with this relationship. They are actually, the feeling is quite the ending only. They might be leaving some place as well, because see, I am seeing the bags which are actually here, see. Okay, so they might be leaving state, country, city, somewhere, and they might be moving away somewhere. So that is why, you know, this brings an end towards the relationship. But we will see what is the final outcome. That will tell us that whether they are actually leaving this or leaving the relationship, or they are just leaving so to get a break or something. But definitely this is an ending which is actually coming up in the energies, but we will clarify. Okay, let's see what do they think that you feel about them. 10 of Pentacles. Wow, two tens, but both the opposite tens. You know, with the 10 of Swords it's the ending, and with the 10 of Pentacles it's the stability, the end of, it's not the end, it is that security financially, we can say emotionally as well, because you know, we are happy that we are together. It is very stable. It tells us that there is peace in a situation, there is happiness in a situation. See, happy families over there. So to me it feels like you think that they know that you are the one, you really are happy when they're around you, and they know that is what they feel. This is the peace and contentment of life. That is something, you know, family traditions, we can say, being in a family, you might be happily married to each other as well. So they know that you are very happy with them, but their energies are quite looking to me that of leaving energies. What is the obstacle of this relationship? 7 of Pentacles. Might be it's been a long time since you both are together, like years and years of togetherness, and now all of a sudden separation, and it's really hard to digest that. You know, you have given so much time and patience to this relationship, and all of a sudden this obstacle, this long-term situation is bringing an obstacle. This is something which is actually, you know, something which is bringing a lot of worries in your relationship and in you as well, Cancer. Something is happening and something is ending, you know. This is a very different energy which I am actually getting today. We will clarify what this actually is. Let me see what are their next step towards this relationship. Balance. They want balance. Okay, so I think that they have started feeling that you have become more dependent on them, you know, since it's been a long-term relationship from long time, or from a lot of, you know, many years. But they really think that they need balance. They want to do other things in their life as well, Cancer. It's like they are feeling that kind of stinginess, you know, that kind of always being together, stuck to each other. They are feeling that, and they want some relief in their life. That is the reason they might be leaving this relationship, for just might be a little break they might be taking, but they want to keep balance in their home life, in their love life, in their friend circle, in their office, and they do not want to cling on to you forever. And that is why you are really happy that they are always with you. You want to be together with them always, like always, but they want some freedom. And that is why I feel that this freedom is making them apart, taking away from this relationship. Let's see what are your actions. Two of Cups. You do not want to end this relationship. Two of Cups, soulmate energy it is. You know, you do not want, and you want to just end those challenging times, whatever this is coming, whatever things are coming, you want to end it. But are they going to end it? It's really hard to say, because your energies are really, really heavy. You know, it's really good energies, Cancer, that you want to work on this relationship, but right now what I'm seeing from here, they do not. But we will clarify well what is going on. So let's see the final outcome of this relationship. Knight of Wands. Yes, so you know what is actually important in this relationship is trust. And if this trust is there, if you will be able to build that trust in each other, if that balance is there, you know, that focus, that good relationship, I think that passion is missing in your relationship, because you might be you might be old now, or it's been a long time that you are together, that passion is missing somewhere, and that is why they are going away to find that passion somewhere else. So this can also be a reason. The final outcome is coming like that only, you know, that when the passion will come again in the relationship, the fire, that energy will come back in this relationship, because it has become very slow. I'm seeing very slow energies, but you know, that is needed. They want something fast, they want some passion. And that is why you might be dealing with a fire sign, Cancer, Aries or Sagittarius or Leo. But yes, they want some movement. They do not want to stuck here. They are really stuck, and they are not able to move, and that is why they need movement. They are doing like this. Okay, let's see the overall energy of this relationship. Release. So release tells us about that transformation, that endings which begin in a new beginning. So I think this ending is required to start a new beginning in this relationship only. I'm not talking about another relationship. Some endings, if you are not able to give time, you need to end that. You need to try to find a balance between giving time to each other as well as giving time to some other people around you as well. So you need to think, you need to try, you need to find out the situations, what is happening, because release is coming up in your overall energy. That means you need to release something to get back in this relationship together. Okay, that the need to release situations or people that hold you back, you need to release. I think either this is the energy of they releasing you, because they are trying to release you, that is for sure over here, because it is like it's you who is holding them back, and they do not want to be here only always. They want to explore, and that is why they are moving. It's not like they haven't loved you, but they want to explore new things in life. Let me clarify some more. Let's see what is there with the Ten of Swords in their current feelings towards you. Why the Ten of Swords is here for my Cancer's person. Page of Cups is here. Yeah, definitely they need some movement. They need a little of, you know, with the Page of Cups, it also tells us about that the new relationship, that romantic encounter, that romance is missing, and they are moving to find that romance again, that fire again, which I already told you. And that is why this new emotional experience which is missing in both of you, they want it back. They want it, and they are not receiving it. They want to become that child again, who want to relive a moment of togetherness, of happiness. They want it, really, trust me. You know, let's see why the Ten of Pentacles is in your energy. Well, I do not need to clarify, but Ten of Pentacles clarified by Nine of Pentacles. So Yeah, I feel that there is dependency on this relationship more, because they either they also want you to be independent. If you are independent, that is not a problem. You might be working as well, but a need emotionally. They want you to be emotionally independent as well, like to be free and to be with your friends, with other people around you, to not stick to one person only. And that is why, if that thing is missing in both of you, if that romance is missing, that needs to be encouraged again. Okay, let's see why the obstacle is here with the Seven of Pentacles for my Cancer and their person. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, Ace of Pentacles tells us about new, beautiful, stable beginnings in a relationship. It tells us that abundance is there, but why is this an obstacle? Because you have stopped looking for beautiful new things around you. Either you are just stinging around something old, that old school kind of a thing. If the situation is like this, it will be like this. If this dining table is here from past 10 years, it is there. Okay, so there are no changes involved, and everything is just so stable and just in routine, that they are tired of this routine, and that is the obstacle in your relationship. Your relationship has become stuck. There is no change, there is no new energy in your relationship, and that is what they want in this relationship. Let's see why the balance is here in your person's actions of my Cancer's person. Why the balance is here. Okay, I have Queen of Swords. Yeah, I think they are going to take really harsh steps in this relationship now. It tells us about a divorce. It tells us about a separation. It tells us about being single. They have made some decisions, and I don't know why they have become really hard, and towards this relationship, towards you as well. You might be seeing that thing, might be because of someone else, might be because of the situations around this person. They want new, but they are not getting, and it's like some things, releasing situations and people which no longer serve you. And that is why, see, the same card is here. They are in release, so the overall energy is releasing. They are trying to release themselves from the people and from the situations around them, which is not serving them anymore, and that is the reason they are just leaving away. Okay, they need fire, but they are not getting one, so they are leaving. Why the overall energy? The outcome is Knight of Wands here. Two of Pentacles. I think the overall outcome is Two of Pentacles, because this again tells us about balance, about being busy, about balancing something like your family, your love life, your everything. And that is why the final outcome is coming like this only, that you both are working so much for other things that you do not have time for each other anymore. And that is the problem. That balancing is the problem, and what is coming, the outcome is also coming the same. You are not able to balance it, and that is why the endings are coming this way in your relationship. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.